Ethan's about to get a tattoo, you know.
Hey guys, so right now we're J-Lou's inside getting his hair dyed right now. I think it's blue. Right? Hey, it's blue.
Can we give you a mustache?
No. Yeah. You can't tell on camera, but oh, okay, yeah, you can see. Kind of see it's like a dark green. All right, let's get them eyebrows, boy. Pull up the hair, yeah, pull up the hair. Come on, J-Lou, don't be. It's summer. It's summer.
Do the eyebrows.
Let's go. Let's go.
Since I'm doing this shit, Major has to dye his hair pink now.
Oh, he is dyeing his hair.
He's dyeing his hair pink. We ain't doing it.
Oh, he's dyeing his hair pink.
Damn scalp with it for 20 minutes. Like hair's gonna come out. Excuse you.
Whoa. Whoa.
This isn't going on YouTube, right?
Yeah, it is. Oh, we can't recut. We can't cut that out. We can't cut that out. Can't cut the funny shit out.
We ain't gonna make money if you ain't got funny shit in it.
That's what I'm saying.
Stop!
Quit squinting your eyes.
I wanna be Asian.
Put
You, bitch.
Oh wait, delete that. That's racist.
I'm Asian, cuz.
Oh yeah, you're Asian, so it's fine.
Yeah.
So I gotta wash my eyebrows 15 times for it to come.
15 times? God bless, you may not want to do this.
What the f did I do in my life?
Bro, what the fuck? Dude, what the fuck?
What the?
Bag of pretzels.
Jalapeno.
How much?
Jalapeno.
Crap.
Here.
No, I don't do drugs.
Scale 1 to 10. 10? Hell yeah.
Alright, Ethan's in the shower right now. I'm gonna try to scare him.
What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing?
First time ordering with DoorDash. Just ordered some Taco Bell. 0 to 1 minute. Hey, pretty sure my delivery guy got lost. Showed 0 to 1 minutes like
30 minutes ago.
okay. Finally. Oscar?
Side job. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Why'd it take so long to get here?
Hit a fucking horse on the way here.
Huh?
Hit a horse on the way here.
A horse?
Yeah, it was a big old stampede.
Alright.
Alright,
I'll see you later. Finally, dude. Yes. Alright.
Go on, let's go.
Huh?
I said let's go, come on. What?
Me and Ethan about to pull up the Christians. I heard there was like people waiting for us, so I don't know.
Oh my god.
Back up. Oh my god.
God bless.
Fuck.
Yeah. Tell me where to take it easy. Yeah. Tell me where the cash at. I've been on the fast track. Shorty want my heart, but I can never back.
This last one I'm gonna fuck around with it. I ain't gonna do it right away though.
Ground. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh, hit me right in the booth. My ears are ringing so bad right now.
Oh my god.
You see where it fucking hit me? God bless.
Oh my god.
Why is it so low?
Oh my god.
Closer.
Oh,
I ain't staying. Come on, go Mars, go. Oh my god.
Oh damn. God.
Oh, you want to hit me, No, you won't do it.
Kevin, do it.
You want me to put it like behind him?
Yeah, just put it like.
Oh my god.
Put it right here.
Oh my god, Kevin.
Roll my sword, nigga.
Oh my god.
It just scared the shit out of me. Right here.
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh yeah, great. A car right there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. About to like the big one.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that scared me. Like hide.
Oh my god.
Like run. Like.
I don't have a choice. I'm sorry you jealous. Bank like Lloyd, pack like lemons. Get another rumor, bringing bank to the teller. Even if I die tomorrow.